Linking your bank account to Deezer allows for seamless payment for subscriptions and services. Follow these steps to set it up. Step 1. Open the Deezer app. Launch the Deezer app on your device or visit the Deezer website on your browser. Ensure you are logged into your account. Step 2. Access account settings. Navigate to your account settings. This can usually be found by clicking on your profile picture or the menu icon, then selecting Account or Settings. Step 3. Select Payment Options. In the account settings, look for a section labeled Payment or Billing. Click on this option to proceed to the payment methods. Step 4. Add Bank Account. Choose the option to add a new payment method. Select Bank Account or Direct Debit from the available options. You will be prompted to enter your bank account details. Step 5. Confirm and save. After entering your bank account information, review the details for accuracy. Once confirmed, save the changes to link your bank account to your Deezer account. Now you are all set. Enjoy your music streaming experience with the convenience of direct payments.